If you're tired of dealing with dull chisels and you're looking for something that's pretty good quality and seems to hold the edge, I've tried these for a little bit now. Been very happy with them. These are Arrow. It's a 4-pack of chisels, and really a nice set of chisels for. They do come with this nice these nice ends here to protect them, and that's gonna make a big difference when you're throwing them in your toolbox or whatever you're gonna do with them. I'd put these ends back on just to keep that edge nice and sharp. And you have 4 different sizes here. And just to show you, these things are pretty sharp right out of the box. You can see I can cut right into this wood, no problem at all, with or against the grain. So very, very nice. If you're doing like hinge work or something, you got to square off corners, then something like this is, you know, very handy for that. You can take and square off corners with it. You can see that right there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you. If you were to drill a hole, and then you got to go back and square off. Now I just did the top of it a little bit there, but you can see you can cut in and take a round hole, make it square, and depending on the size, you just choose your different size different size chisel here. For sizes, you have 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. So a nice size range. Really going to cover most of what you're doing. You know, unless you do a ton of woodwork and you need other sizes. These should cover most of your basic stuff. Oh, that little cover came off, but yeah, right up to a nice 1 inch. I like this ring they have on the top here. Just gives it a nice little touch, really. Handle's got a nice, really solid grip to it. I like that. You want, when you're using a chisel, you want to make sure you have a nice, good grip for sure. But yeah, definitely, I like these. They have a nice feel to them. You can definitely, well, they are sharp, that's for sure. Real nice set of chisels for sure. Now, these guys are nice enough to send these out to me to do this review and show you what you're going to get if you were to order these. I want to thank you for sending them out. I like them a lot. Pretty happy with them so far. I appreciate the fact they're willing to do that. And I hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not these are right for you.